Now we are going to discuss about the company's account issue of share. Before starting the company's account of issue of shares, we will discuss the following item: what is nominal and registered or authorized capital, because all the nominal, registered and authorized capital are same: issued capital and subscribed capital. Authorized or registered or and nominal capital, what is this? Actually, the company have a total capacity. If a company have a total capacity to issue 5,000 shares in a market, and of 100 each, that will be his 5 lakh, and that will be his authorized capital. If a company can withdraw 50 lakhs from the market by issuing 50,000 shares, that is his total capacity of withdrawing money from the market. That will be his nominal or registered or authorized capital. He have an authority to withdraw that amount of money from the market. Out of authorized capital, if the company may go for fully issued capital, suppose the company here the authorized capital is 5,000, the company can issue fully 5,000 shares to the public. The company is approaching to the public here. While issue of capital or issued capital, the company is approaching to the public. So out of 5,000 shares, the company issued 3,000 shares of 100 each. Here I am not taking full 5,000 is being issued to the public at a time. It may happen the company can issue certain portion of shares at a certain period of time, or they can go for full 5,000 shares at a time. So here 5,000 shares issued to the public. So company is approaching to the public with 3,000 shares of 100 each, that is 3 lakh. Now when you make an approach to the public will apply for that your approach. So application receipt, you have asked the people to subscribe it. Rather, in issued capital, you have asked the people to subscribe your share. But how many people will subscribe your share, it doesn't depend. It depends on the people, on the shareholder. Rather, it depends on your shareholder. So here it may happen you have issued 3,000 shares, and the public has and the shareholder has and rather the company has received 3,000 shares from the public. From the public, application received is 2,500 shares. Means the company has issued 3,000 shares against 2,500 you are receiving. The company is receiving. Therefore, it is an under subscription. Means out of 3,000 shares, 2,500 shares you are receiving from the public. And last case is 3,500 against 3,000 shares. The company is receiving 3,500 shares. So it is a case of over subscription. So here what is happening, the public is approaching to the company, or rather sending whatever the issue has been done, on that basis the public is demanding that much of shares, depending on the what kind of share it is, what is the demand for that share. Depending on this situation, the public is making an approach. While making an approach for 3,000 shares, application received, therefore the company is receiving an application of 3,000. Sometime, or it may happen the company is receiving an application of 2,500, which is under subscription, because initially the company has issued 3,000 shares, and last case there is a 3,000 shares where the company has received an application of 3,500 shares. That is the over subscription. Now, how to tackle with the over subscription? Over subscription can be tackled in two ways. There is two solutions. One is pro rata, we will learn afterwards, and one is rejection. Means the company can reject 500 shares, which is the excess shares. Out of 3,000, 3,000 is already there, and remaining 5,000 will be rejected. So that can be another process. Another process can be on the pro rata basis. We will learn on that what is the pro rata basis. It is being done on the basis of the allotment basis. So depending on this situation, different situations, the subscription capital can be done on balanced value, on less than value of the issued capital, or more than the value of the issued capital. So we have learned that issued capital can be equal to subscribed capital, issued capital can be less than subscribed capital, issued capital can be more than subscribed capital. If it is more, then it is undervalued. If it is less, then it is over subscription, and when it is equal, means it is balanced. And nominal, and you have to remember this relation also here, that authorized capital will be equal to the, this kind of situation can happen, issued capital and authorized capital can be greater than issued capital. But these two situations can happen between this relation. But your authorized capital cannot be less than issued capital. You have to remember, the company has the capacity of 5,000 shares, and the company cannot approach to the public with 8,000 shares or 7,000 shares. The company has the capacity to issue in the market 5,000 shares, and here it means the company has the capacity of 5,000 shares, and now it is issuing to the public 7,000 shares. It is impossible, because he has a capacity of 5,000 shares. How he can go for the 7,000 share or approach to the public? So this situation can never be happening. So in case of this relation, authorized capital can be equal to issued capital, authorized capital can be greater than issued capital, and here authorized capital can be equal to, relation can be equal to, issued capital can be greater than subscribed capital, and issued capital can be less than subscribed capital. Both the things can happen between this relation, between this and this relation, and between this relation this can happen. So on a short note, we can get an idea what is authorized capital, what is issued capital, and what is subscribed capital, and what is the relation between them.